state of Maharashtra as we speak. This is clamor for Ramzan, that Ramzan break that is in Maharashtra that we in fact are looking at, where an SP MLA Abu Azmi seeks Telangana-like relief. Azmi to Fadnavis in fact has come out to say give Ramzan break in the budget session. Telangana giving 1 hour relief to Muslim employees. BJP asks why no Hindu festival relief. Remember, a similar demand was in fact seen, an episode of the similar kind in fact unfolded in West Bengal yesterday as well, when the Congress had come in to make such demands for the Ramzan, citing the Telangana SOPs itself. But now this is Abu Azmi from the SP making similar demands for the state of Maharashtra. Let's quickly listen in to what he had to say.
कोई सरकार जो है, तेलंगाना सरकार हो और कोई सरकार, अगर 4 बजे तक इसलिए कर रही कि रमजान का महीना है, तो शायद रमजान का महीना तो महाराष्ट्र में भी है। तो क्या आपसे मेरी गुजारिश होगी, निवेदन होगा कि आप भी जो अच्छी चीज को फॉलो कीजिए और एक मिसाल कायम कीजिए कि हम तेलंगाना से कम नहीं है। अगर तेलंगाना मुसलमानों को 4 बजे छुट्टी का अनाउंस कर रहा है लोगों को, तो हमारी सरकार, महाराष्ट्र सरकार भी 4 बजे अनाउंस करेगी। 3:45 बजे कर दो आप, ताकि जो है ना नहलों।
Vidya joining us on the broadcast with more details on this political story now gaining momentum. Vidya, do help us, a very good morning to you, to help us understand. This seems to now be going around across states, especially after Telangana government ended up announcing that 1 hour relief during the Ramzan period. Now with the within Maharashtra as well, we see the SP MLA coming up with a similar demand of sorts. Are we looking at any response that's coming from the government side so far, or what all has happened in this?
Well, Maharashtra government hasn't really responded to it, but of course, as Abu Azmi himself said that there's nothing wrong in really making a request, but I don't know if the Maharashtra government will really accept it. And that is the reason why he goes ahead and says that on the line of Telangana, wherein staffs, employees of Telangana as well as the schools, they have been let off, wherein at 4 p.m. the people can really go back home, prepare for Ibadat and the Iftari. So obviously, he is requesting the government of Maharashtra to up that game and give some sort of a relief. However, it's really we'll really have to wait and see as to whether the government really responds to that.
Right, Vidya, thank you for bringing us those details and putting things into perspective for our viewers at this given point of time. Well, this is where this very political flashpoint stands. We are taking a look at similar such requests coming up from different states. But right now, it's the state of Maharashtra where we see the SP party MLA coming out to in fact making this demand. And the BJP across states has held the same stance. So why is it that Hindu festivals don't see such a break as well?